Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are starting our road trip and we already have taken a car. So how you should choose the right car rental company? So first of all, New Zealand has a lot of options from global brands like Hertz, Avis, Budget to local companies like Jucy and Apex. We have chosen a car by Jucy. And also, while choosing the car, you need to understand what are the rental requirements. So you must carry a valid driver's license. If you are from overseas, your license should be in English or accompanied by an international driving permit. You should also be at least 21 years old, though some companies might have a higher age limit. Also, you may need a credit card for the deposit. Next, also you have to choose the right car. What kind of car will suit your trip? So if you are sticking to city driving, a compact car might be all you need. So we have chosen a compact car for our needs. Also, you need to make sure that the car is good in shape, because when you pick up a car, take a few minutes to inspect it thoroughly. You need to record a video of the car condition, so when you return back the car, you can show as a proof that this car was in this shape. Next is insurance. So insurance is a very crucial part of renting a car. So basic insurance is usually included, but it often comes with a high excess. So to avoid any unexpected costs, it is great to add some extra coverage and take some travel insurance policies that they are suggesting. Do not trust on verbal contract, have a written contract. Now that you have finally taken the car and you are on a road, remember that in New Zealand you drive on the left side. Pay attention to road signs, especially in rural areas where conditions can change quickly. Stick to the speed limits and be prepared for narrow, winding roads, particularly in the countryside. And lastly, when you are returning the car, make sure you fill up the tank to the level it was when you picked it up. Return the car on time. Thank you. See you in the next video.